If your car still feels basic every time you get behind the wheel, you're probably missing out on some seriously smart upgrades. Amazon and AliExpress are packed with car gadgets that don't just look cool, they actually make driving easier, safer, and way more convenient. You'll find all the product links waiting for you in the description below. Number 15. E-Board Electric Sidestep. The E-Board Electric Sidestep is a smart way to make tall vehicles more accessible. When you open the door, the step automatically slides out, giving passengers a stable platform to step on, and it retracts neatly when the door closes, so it doesn't change the car's look. Made from strong, weather-resistant materials, it can handle heavy use without wearing out. On top of that, it reduces the chance of slips or falls and even protects your vehicle's sides from small bumps and scrapes, combining convenience with safety. Number 14. Lectron Plugs. For EV owners, charging just got a major upgrade. Cars with a port can now access over 25,000 Tesla supercharger stations using this NACS to CCS adapter. Rated for 500 amps and 1000 volts, it can add up to 240 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. A dual locking mechanism keeps it securely connected, and its compact design fits easily in the glove compartment. It's compatible with Ford, GM, Rivian, Mercedes, and other brands, giving more vehicles access to the Tesla charging network. Number 13. Mokuku AI Robot. Mokuku puts all your key driving info right in front of you in a clear and easy-to-read way. You can keep your focus on the road while monitoring speed, RPM, fuel usage, time, and more. Unlike standard dashboards, it shows real-time speed using OBD or GPS data for precise readings. On top of that, you can add some personality with colorful animations and seasonal designs, bringing a lively and festive touch to your drive. Number 12. WOLFBOX Mirror Cam. Its 4K front and 1080p rear cameras capture every detail, while the massive 12-inch display gives you 1.5 times more viewing area than a standard mirror, cutting blind spots and boosting safety. The 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses widen your view even further, and the smart split screen lets you watch both angles at once. Thanks to 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS tracking, you can view, replay, or share footage instantly through the WOLFBOX app. With WDR and HDR tech, plus a Pro sensor and 6-glass lens, it delivers sharp, balanced video even at night. Number 11. Headrest Safe. This headrest doubles as a hidden steel safe, letting you store firearms or valuables securely inside your car seat without any drilling or bolts. It offers 3 ways to unlock: fingerprint, passcode, or key, so you can access your items quickly when needed. The safe slides in and out easily, and the exterior fabric looks and feels like real leather, keeping it discreet and stylish. Number 10. Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit helps remove scratches and fix common headlight problems such as yellowing, clouding, and oxidation, restoring clarity and improving light output. Clear headlights improve visibility at night, which supports safer driving. The process also helps slow further aging, extending the lifespan of the lenses. The kit includes the essential tools needed for restoration, including a polishing compound to address surface damage and oxidation, along with a repair solution and spray bottle for application. Number 9. AUTOPHIX. Your check engine light just came on, panic? Not anymore. This tiny Bluetooth car diagnostic tool plugs right into your vehicle and connects to your phone, showing you exactly what's going on under the hood. You can read in clear error codes, track speed, RPM, and even monitor battery health in real time. It works with almost any car made after 1996: Ford, Toyota, BMW, Jeep, and more. No more guessing or costly mechanic visits. Just plug in, scan, and drive smarter. Once you try it, you'll never drive blind again. Number 8. In-Car VR. This in-car VR device syncs perfectly with your vehicle's motion to give you a truly immersive experience. It's a retrofit solution that works with any car, no matter the brand or model year, letting you enjoy HoloRide's motion-synced content anywhere. So if you're playing games, watching movies, or learning something new, it turns every trip into a fun, next-level adventure. The setup is quick and simple, so you can jump straight into your favorite experiences without hassle. Number 7. Tire Repair Sealant. Ever had a flat tire at the worst time? This portable tire sealant spray is the quick fix you need. Small and easy to carry, it's designed to seal small punctures on the spot, no jack, no spare, no stress. Just spray it into the tire, wait a few minutes, and you're back on the road. A great option for daily commutes or highway emergencies, it saves time, money, and hassle. Think of it as a mini mechanic in your glove box, safe, affordable, and super convenient. Number 6. Luxon Emergency Safety Tool. This 7-in-1 emergency safety tool is something every glove box should have. It packs a seatbelt cutter, window breaker, flashlight, emergency beacon, and more into one compact piece. It's built to stay reliable when things go wrong on the road, whether it's a breakdown or an accident. Lightweight and easy to keep nearby, it's one of those things you hope you never need, but you'll be glad it's there if you do. Number 5. Car Diagnostic Scanner. You're cruising along in your modern car when suddenly the check engine light flashes on, causing panic. But don't worry, enter the ultimate car diagnostic scanner. Compact yet powerful, it connects to your car's electronic control unit, identifying any issues or malfunctions your car may be experiencing. No more guessing what's wrong. Featuring an 8.1-inch touchscreen with an Android system, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and a 5000 mAh battery, this tool is built for adventure and readiness. It also includes adapters compatible with all car brands. Number 4. Fanttik Slim V8. This compact vacuum isn't as strong as larger models, but it's perfect for quick cleanups like car interiors or keyboards. On a full charge, it runs up to 13 minutes in high-speed mode. It's a 4-in-1 mini vacuum that can handle vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and pumping. With 10 useful accessories, including a crevice nozzle and flexible hose for tight spots, plus brushes for dust and pet hair, it covers all your cleaning needs. Powered by an 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it delivers up to 19,000 pascals suction, easily picking up dust, sand, and small debris, with 2 modes offering up to 40 minutes on Eco and 13 minutes on Max. Number 3. RapidX X5. If you need to charge multiple devices while on the go, the multi-device car charger is the perfect solution. Designed with convenience in mind, this sleek and compact charger plugs directly into your car's 12V 24V outlet or cigarette lighter socket. It features two 2.4 amp ports and 3 2 amp ports, allowing you to charge up to 5 devices at once, ideal for smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered gadgets. With a total output of up to 10.8 amps and fast charging capabilities, it powers your devices up to twice as fast as standard chargers. The included 5-foot cable adds extra flexibility, ensuring everyone in the car can stay powered up without fighting over outlets. Number 2. HardTent. Sleep comfortably outdoors with the Hardside or HardTent, built for adventure lovers who want both comfort and protection on the road. This rooftop SUV tent features strong hard-sided walls that block out noise in bad weather, helping you rest well. It folds down to just 7 inches, making it easy to carry and store. Inside, a quality mattress with a Froley spring system gives great support and airflow for a better night's sleep. The custom rack includes a built-in gasket system that seals tightly, keeping the tent dry and secure, even when folded. With waterproof insulation and a dual air intake system, a HardTent stays fresh and dry, making it a great choice for camping in any season. Number 1. Cobra DualPro. Spending on a radar detector may seem high, but when you compare it to the potential cost of speeding tickets, it quickly becomes a smart investment. The Cobra DualPro is designed to detect radar and laser signals from all directions around your vehicle, providing a full 360 degrees view of potential threats. With directional arrows and voice alerts, it clearly informs you of the source, ensuring you stay ahead of any speed traps. That's all for today. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up so more people can see it. Your support helps us reach more viewers. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.